After weeks of consolidating, the market finally started to move last week. Today, we're going to take a look at NZD Swiss franc, NZD USD. Also, we're going to recap gold, US30 and GERMAN30. Let's get the ball rolling. Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in pieces, so each and everyone can understand. You know we do it on a Sunday already. Chart markup. Before I jump into it, quick disclaimer. Alright, NZD Swiss franc. So watch me now. So NZD CHF, right, was in this upward trend right here, right? It's a nice little uptrend for quite a while, right? For there about from what, December 2020 all the way into March, right? So let's remove this. So after the uptrend, it went into this nice little consolidation, right? So it didn't know what it wanted to do here. Price was just moving sideways. Then what happened? Price broke out of the consolidation, retest, created a lower high, then continued downwards, right? So watch me now. Let's look at this level right here. Bam. Alright. So right here we're having a nice little small consolidation right here, right? We have a nice bearish engulfing, right? Watch me now. For NC, what you want to do is this, right? Wait for it to break this support here, right? Come about here, retrace, create a lower high, right? Then bam, all the way down here, right? This level right here is another key level on the H4, right? So bam, watch me now. So stop loss about here, right? Take profit all the way down here, right? Nice, what I say that 4 to 1, could go as much as probably 5 to 1, right? So that is NZD CHF. NZD USD, yes, like the brother of NZD CHF, right? They're both doing the same thing. So I'm just giving you guys two nice pairs to look at this week, right? Watch me now. So if you want to trade these pairs, you got to choose either or either, but don't choose both, right? So just pick one. So watch me now. Nice uptrend, consolidating, right? Then it broke here, right? Broke here, bam, shift, retest lower high. When it shift and retest lower high, what it actually did, right? Let's pay attention, right? Watch me now. You'll find something nice. Bam, created a nice bearish flag, right? Nice bearish flag, right? Nice bearish flag. So what you want to see is a break of this bearish flag to the downside. So it's simple. The bearish flag has already created, right? So we have this level right here. Watch me. This level right here. Bam. Alright. So support price broke through, already created a lower high. So unlike NZD CHF, this has already retested already, right? Creating a lower high. So what you want is this. You want to see a bearish engulfing candle, a strong push to the downside before you enter. So bam, right here, right? Entry about here. Stop loss somewhere about here. Alright, let me tighten up that entry now. Bam, entry about here. Stop loss somewhere about here. Right? Let me get this. Take profit all the way down here. Nice 5 to 1 again, right? So that is NZD USD. Alright, gold. So gold didn't do what I wanted it to do as predicted last week, right? So watch me now. It was in this downward trend, right? Then it decided to consolidate here. So my prediction was this, that it would continue to consolidate in this region right here. So I was looking at a downward trend, but we're still at that level. See this level right here? We have this purple line, right, at 1759.98. We're still at that level. So yes, there was a little up push this week, but you cannot assume that gold is ready to go all the way back up here, right? You cannot assume that it's ready to go all the way back up here, right? As yet, you have to wait. Listen to me now, because a lot of people don't know how to listen. They're hearing what I'm saying on these markups, but they're not listening, right? Trading is a game of patience. The definition of a great trader is one who has the patience to take money from the impatient. Which one are you? So it's a game of patience. Watch me now. So let me remove this, because this is the play out, right? We're still in this consolidated zone right here, right? So you want to do one of two things, right? You could let price come here, retest right here, create a low high, then continue down right here, right? Bam. But you know you should not set your target level below this in terms of your take profit. In order for you to continue upwards with a buy, that is for a sell, right? So in order to continue for a buy, this needs to happen, right? You need to break this zone right here, retest, create a higher low, confirming the basic of trading for an uptrend, then we can continue up. All right, listen, right? So that is what needs to happen in order for you to continue in an uptrend. But as I said, look at this era right here. Look at this era from 1759.98 to 1672.94. Look at this era right here. Bam. Price is consolidating in this era. So the same thing that we are looking at with the New Zealand pairs, where it was consolidating, then it broke out, and then now we can start to trade in the trend. It's the same thing you want to do on gold. Does that make sense? It needs to break, retest, create a higher low, then you can continue up. But if you want to play that console zone, all you want to do, right, is just wait for a shift, retest lower high, then bam, you go in, right? You guys get that? Listen, gold. All right, so recapping US30. So US30 has been playing out like we said it would, right? So for those who watch my YouTube video on auto charts, you can also press Ctrl R and Ctrl R, or should I say Alt and R, my bad. You can also press Alt and R, right, to open the charts very quickly, right? So watch me now. So the shadow show you where it made this little cluster right here, then break out. So it's playing in line with the MO that we spoke about. So it's going up. We should expect a retracement somewhere about here, right? Then come back here, form a higher low, and then we can continue up once again, right? So see it right there, right? Playing out just as we said. So US30 not doing too bad, all right? G30, all right? So recapping G30. So it has been doing what the MO says it should be doing, right? So based on the MO, came here, respected this level right here, right? So we want to see a retracement set out nicely to buy right here to continue up, right? Not saying that it's going to happen, but based on the MO, it's a high probability that it might happen, right? So if you look at last week markup, you heard what I said, that G30 and US30, it has some new highs. So that is why we don't have a support and resistance level to look at. So all we do is to use these shadow tools to look at the MO, where we read the MO of previous movements to predict new movements. Does that make any sense? All right, so this is the recap on G30. It's presently doing what the MO said that it will be doing. All right, so let's just watch it, guys. So let's just pay attention, listen to what I'm saying, not just hear what I'm saying, just listen carefully, watch carefully, right? So as long as the MO plays out, come back about here, create a high low, then you should go in, right? German30. Thank you guys for watching. And if there's any chart that you'd like to see me mark up, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go and big up yourself and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.